Where there is women, there is magic. So we are here to talk about the magic that we have inside us. As quoted by Serena Williams, every woman's success should be an inspiration to the other women because we are the strongest when we cheer each other. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Paridhi and I am back with a very special video for all the women out there. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, there is a giveaway at the end of the video, so stay tuned because there is something for every participant and there will be 2 winners for the giveaway. So stay tuned and keep watching. This video is in collaboration with Srinari, which is a platform for every woman who can earn and grow with infinite possibilities and have freedom to sell their own products. Here in this video, we have Archita Chandra, the co-founder of Srinari. Brought up by a single, independent and hard-working mother, she understood the importance of being self-reliant at such an early age. This also sparked a fire inside her to be the light in the life of other women who can drive inspiration through her platform. So she's here to tell you everything about Srinari and how women can benefit through her platform. So let's get started. So, hi Archita, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for the collaboration and it's a pleasure to have you here. Let's talk everything about Srinari. So starting with, what is Srinari?
Shri as in wealth, prosperity, growth and success, and Nari as in all-powerful women around the world. Srinari.com is an exclusive e-commerce platform for small businesses owned by women entrepreneurs across India and the globe. We aim to make every woman entrepreneur financially independent and build their own brand. We envision to create a powerful community of women entrepreneurs across the globe.
Wow, that's really beautifully explained. So, what motivated you to start Srinari?
During this coronavirus pandemic, a lot of women entrepreneurs reached out to us saying that they are not able to reach to their potential customers. This was because physical exhibitions had stopped and they did not know how to sell on a digital platform. And even if they were on a digital platform, they were lost in the ocean of brands. Hence, Srinari was born. Here, we want to make every woman entrepreneur a brand. We want to make them digitally literate and we aim to make every woman entrepreneur take the next big step into the e-commerce world to grow their business.
It's a really great initiative, Archita. So, what is that thing that drives you to work with and for women?
Empowered women, empowered nation. And I very strongly believe that. I have been working with a lot of NGOs, a lot of self-help groups, a lot of women who have inspired me and continue to inspire me. I have been brought up with the belief and live by it that empowered women cheer and empower every other woman around them.
Absolutely, very well said. So, we all want to know what are the benefits of registering on Srinari.com.
When you join the Srinari family, we guide you in every step of the way on how to sell on an e-commerce platform. From how to build your brand, to how to market your brand, how to price your products, and how to give maximum benefits to your customer. We are there with you through the entire journey. We do not charge commissions on sales, and additionally, we give discounts and offers from our end to ensure that every customer gets the products at the best prices possible. And this money is not taken from our sellers. We also give complete exclusivity to our sellers through unique ideas every month. One of them is Do Din Dhamaka, which is in fact going on right now on the website, where every woman entrepreneur's brand gets 2 exclusive days to give maximum discounts to their customers, and that brand is marketed exclusively on our social media platform. Their products are marketed exclusively on every other platform that we are on, and also on the homepage of shrinari.com without any additional cost.
What kind of sellers and products are there on Shrinari?
We have women from different age groups from across India, from different walks of life, selling their products and advertising their services through shrinari.com. We have some very interesting products. We have handmade jewelry, we have homemade pickles, we have organic products, we have bed sheets, we have saris, kurtas, home decor. We have women entrepreneurs who curate skincare products, which are very beneficial and very interesting products. I want every woman listening to us today who has a brand to build to join us. Just visit our site, fill in the seller registration form, connect with us, know the benefits, and then if you want, please join us and sell your products on www.shrinari.com. And also, you customers out there, please visit our site, take a look at the products. They are differentiated in terms of prices, in terms of category. It's very easy for you to buy, and you never know that your small contribution can help make a woman entrepreneur financially independent.
Now we have amazing feedback from the sellers working with Shrinari.com. So let's see what they have to say about their experience working with Shrinari throughout.
Everyone, my name is Varada and I'm from Bangalore. My products that I sell on Shrinari platform are jewelries, women's clothing and Indian handicraft and home decor items. I would like to talk to you today about Shrinari. This is an amazing platform for all women entrepreneurs across India to showcase their products and services on an e-commerce platform and take their business to the next level of success. Shrinari has been very supportive to me for running my business in this online platform. They have done a lot of marketing, and at the same time we should also work towards our success. So it's a kind of mutual understanding for the sellers and Shrinari as a company to come up and empower all women entrepreneurs across India. So I recommend or I suggest all women entrepreneurs out there to join this amazing platform and take their business to the next level.
I am Sanskriti, founder of Sanduk. Sanduk is a place where you will get different kind of handmade jewelries which are quite unique from others. We are making it from eco-friendly raw materials like canvas. This is the hand-painted canvas necklace. See this. This is silver pendant. The necklace is made from the thread. You can see this. We are taking care of everything because see this. We have this kind of fabric necklaces also. You can see this. This is completely made from fabric. This is washable. This is sustainable. You can use it how you want to use it. And yes, our most beautiful, unique and different collection of marble. Marble is very different because it's pure. It gives you too much calmness, peaceful. It gives you so many positive vibes. And yes, this is made from marble slice, not from whole stone, so it's not as heavy as you are thinking, ladies. And yes, the whole beautiful collection is pocket friendly also, just because of Shrinari. Yes, ladies, Shrinari is the best place to grow your business, to grow yourself, to grow your financial status. They are very helpful. They gives you lots of benefits, like they are the whichever discount offers are available at our website is given by Shrinari only. They are giving us shipping free only. They are giving us so many different kind of benefits. They are always ready to help us. They are always there for us 24/7. Thank you Archita ji and Sandeep ji. And ladies, please join Srinari. That is the best place to grow yourself, to grow your business, to grow your financial status, and of course, when women help a woman, miracle happens. So be a part of this miracle, and happy Women's Day. Bye bye.
That's really amazing feedback from the sellers. I think everyone working with Srinari is quite happy and satisfied. So I would definitely recommend this platform to all the young women entrepreneurs out there. Do check out srinari.com. So coming back to questions. What according to you is an efficient leadership, and your opinion on balanced gender ratio in leadership roles?
I strongly believe in inclusion, teaching, and learning. A good leader is non-judgmental, a good listener, and someone who is never threatened by anyone or anything. Gender should never be a criteria in leadership roles. It is the person's leadership qualities, strength, personality traits that should be looked into. Gender-based stereotypes must be completely eroded. Every workplace must have strong female role models as leaders to build aspiration. And they should mentor, coach, and empower other women leaders. Women are very strong leaders. They value work-life balance, they are patient, they have so much of empathy, they are multitaskers, they handle crisis situations well, and the list goes on. Women leadership in business, politics, the society is very important. Gender diversity provides diversity of thought, diversity of skills, better governance, and so many things. It is much beneficial socially and economically if the gender scale is balanced.
Okay, one last thing, Archita. What is your message for all the women out there?
My message for every girl, for every woman out there, is to stop wasting your time trying to fit in to the definition of perfect that the society is giving you. Instead, move forward. Be real. Be raw. Be comfortable in your own skin. Know yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe that you deserve the best. Believe that you are worth it. Live your dreams. Be that woman who cheers other women, who helps other women live their dreams. Be just you. Happy Women's Day.
So that was it, guys. That was all about Srinari. And in case you have any more queries, you can definitely drop it in the comment section and we are happy to take it up. And in case you want to directly connect with Archita, you can definitely connect with her on her social media. And now it's time for the giveaway announcement. So this is a very special giveaway because in this giveaway, every participant is gonna get something in return, and there will be 2 winners. So the winners will be getting products that will be sponsored by Srinari, and discount vouchers will be given to every participant that is also sponsored by Srinari. You can redeem it on the platform itself, that is srinari.com. So rules for the giveaway are: you have to subscribe to my channel, follow Srinari on Instagram handle given here. You need to answer what is your opinion on women's financial independence. After following all the rules, you need to come here in this video and put in the comment section #WomenPower so that confirms your entry for the giveaway, and we will be checking everything. Every participant will be given discount vouchers from Srinari which can be redeemed on srinari.com, and 2 lucky winners will be given these products. Bonus points to those who will share this video, screenshot or swipe up on their Instagram story by tagging my Instagram handle and Srinari Instagram handle given here. Any fake account or channel would not be confirmed. Winners will be announced on 16th March. So that was it, guys. I am hoping to see a lot of participants. So let's make it a very special and successful giveaway, and the video of course. And a very happy Women's Day to all the women out there.